when I talked to the procurement team about how much time they got back, they estimate that they have about 20 to 30% more time to perform all the tasks. Hi, I'm Alex Costa. I'm the VP of IT at PSC Group. So we are a service company for the most part. We're working mostly in refineries, petrochemical plants. We're serving our customers with labor to address some of the specific needs that they have at the plants. So our customers like us very much because we bring efficiency into their operations with our labor, and we maintain safety records that are not seen in the industries. I joined the organization November 22, and then in 1 month in, I said, we need a better procurement tool. And that was my first project after I joined PSC, implementing Procurify. So the main pain point there is how slow the process was to go from procurement all the way to paying a supplier. So because the process was not very automated or the visibility was not there, it required a number of manual steps to confirm even a receipt of an item in the field. Our workforce, we have over 5,000 employees across multiple states. Before Procurify, the communication lagged because of all the operations activities that are happening in the plant and the time for folks to be able to report back to procurement. In order to solve that, the only solution in front of us before Procurify was to increase our license count in our current ERP, which was, from a cost perspective, was something that we were not willing to do. My favorite feature of Procurify is really the mobile app, right? The ability to have everything in one single location. Because I think about the mobile workforce that we have. They don't have a computer in front of them. They're not sitting in an office with an air conditioner, right? They're working in some rough conditions sometimes. And having the one single place that they can go to and complete all the business activities they are trying to complete, it's very important. There's one manager out in the field, and he's been with the company for over 20 years, right? Definitely is used to things the way they always were, right? So when we started talking about the change that was coming, he was one of the first ones to kind of talk to the procurement team and say, oh, I'm not so sure about this, right after it was implemented. And I was curious about it, asked the procurement team to check on him, and he said, oh no, this works perfectly, you don't have anything to say about it. And I think it's a testimony to the fact that when somebody got their hands on it and see how easier made it their life, they actually were champions of the tool actually and start pushing the tool to be used by other folks in the organization. It gives you further visibility, and then I think it's fulfilling a specific gap that we have in the industry, in the software space for this specific use case. So it's definitely a good solution, and for folks that have that specific need in the organization, definitely Procurify should be on the top of the list of the things that they should be looking at.